Michael Burry has had a great track when it comes to predicting market crashes in 2001 at the height of the bubble. Burry shorted overvalued tech stocks to achieve a return of 55 when the S&P 500 was down 12%. Burry rose to prominence in 2008 when his bet against the housing market really paid off, with his investors making over $700 million. He signaled warning signs as early as 2005 about a growing bubble in the housing market based on lenient mortgage lending practices, even though Fed Chairman Alan Greenspan claimed that the housing market was stable. Over a decade later, Burry is back and believes that the stock market may experience a huge crash very soon. So guys, now let's discuss that what are the reasons for Burry's skepticism about the stock market. With that being said, let's get started with the video. So Burry starts by saying that the meteoric rise of meme stocks when the pandemic swept across the US, people were forced to stay at home and there were significant layoffs nationwide with all of that spare time. The incoming stimulus checks and the rise of platforms like Robinhood and Webull, retail investors had more access than ever before to engage in the marketplace. Combined with communication on social media apps and messaging boards like Reddit, TikTok, YouTube, and Discord, there was an opportunity to force coordinated trades on some of these stocks with the highest short interest. This is similar to the trend in the late 1990s when the dot-com era began to boom with the prices of technology stocks reaching the astronomical highs. The main reason for the rise of meme stocks is the phenomena of a short squeeze. A short squeeze happens when short sellers who have placed their bets on a stock fail rush to hedge their position or buy the stock in the event of an adverse price movement in order to cover their losses. This leads to a sharp rise in the demand for shares and a huge rally in share prices. Meme stocks are about to crash. Michael Burry believes that the meme stocks favored by investors on Reddit are set to crash like the dot-com and housing market bubbles of the previous decades. Burry doesn't know when exactly the meme stocks could end up failing, but believes that investors don't have to wait too long to see the crash. Burry believes that the retail crowd is fully invested in the meme stock theme and that Wall Street has jumped on the coattails. He believes that the key reason meme stocks will run out of steam is that the retail investors will run out of new money to jump on the bandwagon. 46% of retail investors use their 1400 stimulus checks to invest in meme stocks this year. The data also suggests that most who invested their stimulus checks in the stock market didn't fully understand what they were investing in. Burry believes that speculative trading has popped up meme stocks and could hurt regular investors very badly. While the retail frenzy is melted off late, meme stocks are still up an unimaginable amount. GameStop has surged over 1000 in 2021, while AMC is up over 2500 this particular year. Michael Burry warned one of the biggest market bubble in history, suggesting that his concern about rampant speculation only grew over the last few months. He believes that the current market trend displays the greatest speculative bubble of all time in all assets by 2 orders of magnitude. Burry has repeatedly warned investors that they are being too greedy, speculating wildly, shouldering too much risk, and chasing unrealistic returns. The Scion asset management chief has sounded the alarm on Tesla, GameStop, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Robinhood, SPEX, inflation, and the broader stock market. Burry believes that massive speculation and widespread betting with borrowed money has driven the market to the brink of collapse. Burry cited a chart of the S&P 500 index and the levels of margin debt which have both shot up in recent months as the key reason for a collapse in the broader stock market. He further added that the stock market was dancing on a nice edge. Burry said that the boom in the day traders sharing tips on social media and touting meme songs has helped fuel this market swing. He also highlighted a massive spike in the volume of bullish call options, emphasizing that these wagers are propelling stocks to extreme levels. Burry also believes that investors continue to ignore his warnings, just as they did about the housing bubble back in 2008. Michael Burry has been right about speculative asset bubbles on the 2 previous occasions and has just signaled that investors could witness the greatest stock market crash in history, with record low interest rates and a surge in savings on the back of stimulus checks. The market has seen an influx of retail investors looking to make money quickly. Burry states that the micro bubbles being seen in meme stocks and cryptocurrencies are early warning signs of an impending crash. He believes that the rampant speculation, along with massive amounts of leverage, are key reasons for the surge and eventual crash of stock prices. Burry also states that the market is currently walking on a nice edge and that the crash could particularly hurt retail investors. With that being said, what do you think about Michael Burry's warnings about a huge stock market crash? Do you think we are in a stock market bubble, or is Burry just sounding a false alarm? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you would like to see more videos like this, then please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell button. I'll catch you in my next amazing video. Till then, bye bye and take care.